Okay friends, today we are going to talk about Zentangling. So Zen means calm or peaceful, and a tangle is just like a doodle or some sort of pattern. So you guys already have this tangle pattern sheet, and this will be useful for you for the background behind your cacti. So all of you made a cactus, and so it's a little hard to see on this one because it's so big, because in years past we've done these rather large. So I just drew a little mini version on this marker board so you could see it a little bit better. So you all just have a cactus drawn out on some sort of white piece of paper. So you are to make lines to make sections in the background. So if you haven't done this yet, you'll want to do that so that you know where to put your Zentangle patterns. So you'll want to make 6 different sections. So I'm sectioning off mine. If you have more, that's okay, but we don't want to make them too small. If you have less, it's just bigger areas. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 areas to add my tangle patterns to. So you can see in this example here, I've already added color to my cactus. Now we used waterproof materials in the classroom. We used our bingo daubers and Sharpies. Depending on what you have at home, if you used permanent marker, then you can watercolor inside of your cactus and the pot. I used a little bit of oil pastel too, or you can just color it in. Some of you have already done that. So feel free at any time. You can color in your cactus. By the time we are finished with this project, we do want the cactus and the pot colored in. And the background is just going to stay black and white with your different tangle pattern designs. So what I'm going to be doing in additional videos is showing you each of the tangle patterns. Instead of putting them all in one video, that way you can pick and choose which videos you want to watch based on which tangle patterns you would like to choose. So remember that this is a slow process. It's supposed to be relaxing by doing these repetitive patterns. I wouldn't make up your own. I would try to use the ones that you see here, or there is a website that is called tanglepatterns.com, and there's lots of different Zentangle patterns on that website that you can look at. But feel free to just use the sheets. I have another sheet that I will make available to you in the upcoming weeks, but I'm just trying to pace us. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed, like you have to do this all at once. Remember, in the art room, we only see each other for about 35-40 minutes. So we would only be doing a little bit of this project at a time. So at this time, I am going to stop the video, but if you are ready, then you can look ahead, and I'm going to number the videos in kind of the order that you're seeing here and just do the different tangle patterns in different videos, but you'll be filling in the whole section of your background. So one section at a time. The goal for the second week was to fill about 2 to 3 sections, but again, that depends on if you're adding color. And remember, there is an additional week to catch up on the first 2 weeks of art, because I know with technology and learning new things that some of you may just be starting. So feel free to watch the next video so that you can see how to create some of these tangle patterns.